How to fix Instagram Reels audio desync. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Instagram Reels audio desync issue. Now, if you're facing this problem, what you want to do is trim the clip slightly before uploading. So, to trim the clip, you can use the default editor of your device, or you can also download any other application. For that, open up Play Store, then search for Video Editor. Now go ahead and download whichever application you prefer. Then open the video editing app, import your video. Now you simply want to trim it. You also want to reduce the video length a bit. After that, tap on the export option. Once the video has been exported, launch open Instagram, log into your account, tap on the plus icon. Now tap on Reel. Then select the video that you just exported. Now, if you want to edit it, go ahead and do that. After that, tap on the next option. Then tap on share. Now, the problem of Instagram Reel audio desync will be solved, and that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.